Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Portable Washing Machines Canada. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Portable. This compact and versatile portable washer offers a practical solution for those who need convenience and efficiency in laundry care. With the ability to wash up to 11 pounds of clothes at once, it's perfect for small households or apartments. Its 6 cycle selections, normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only, ensure that every load is clean to perfection, including baby clothes, diapers, and delicate lingerie. The washer features 3 water level options and temperature settings ranging from hot to cold, allowing you to customize each wash to suit your laundry needs. It also offers a delay start function, giving you the flexibility to set washes up to 24 hours in advance. Built with a durable, rust-resistant stainless steel tub, this washer ensures longevity and smooth operation. Its top-loading design with a transparent lid lets you monitor the washing process easily. The unit is designed for mobility, with 2 rollers and side handles for easy movement, while adjustable leveling legs provide stability. Additional features include auto unbalance detection, child lock protection, and auto shutoff safety for added peace of mind. Number 2. BODACIOUS Compact. Experience an ultra-quiet laundry routine with this innovative portable washing machine, operating at just 55 dB for a peaceful environment. Its transparent quiet close lid lets you check on your laundry while reducing noise, ideal for families, apartments, dorms, and RV living. Designed for convenience, this full automatic washer offers 10 versatile wash modes to meet a range of laundry needs. The intuitive LED display keeps you informed with real-time updates on your selected wash cycle and remaining time. Engineered with an IPX4 waterproof rating, this appliance ensures safety and durability, even in humid settings. Enhanced with dynamic unbalance detection, it stabilizes the load during washing to prevent vibrations and extend the appliance's life. The built-in child lock protection adds an extra layer of safety. Powered by a high-efficiency motor, it features a 24-hour delayed start option for ultimate flexibility. Combining energy efficiency with powerful cleaning, it helps save time and resources. Rest assured, any water inside is from testing and not an indication of prior use. For any questions or assistance, the dedicated customer support team is always ready to help. Number 3. Auertech Apartments. Enjoy the convenience of a portable twin tub washer that combines washing and drying functions in one compact unit. Featuring separate tubs for washing and spinning, this versatile machine allows you to handle laundry tasks simultaneously, saving time and energy. Its lightweight, space-saving design fits effortlessly into bathrooms, closets, apartments, dorms, or RVs, making it a practical choice for limited spaces. Powered by a robust 1300 RPM motor, it ensures fast and efficient washing, while the 12 pounds washer and 8 pounds spin cycle capacities accommodate a variety of laundry loads. The transparent window lets you monitor the progress easily. Designed with a drainage pump and adjustable inlet hose, it offers flexible water drainage options for hassle-free operation. The user-friendly control panel, complete with 3 control switches and separate time settings for washing and spinning, makes laundry a breeze. Built from durable, rust-resistant PP material, it delivers long-lasting performance. Its powerful water flow effectively cleans clothes while minimizing wear. With a 15-minute wash cycle and a 5-minute spin cycle, it saves time and effort. Any residual water inside is due to factory testing and does not indicate prior use. Number 4. Anypro Washing. This innovative portable washing machine offers a dual tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, providing ultimate convenience and efficiency. Perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or any setting where space is at a premium, it boasts a lightweight and compact design that makes storage easy and setup a breeze. Equipped with a high-efficiency motor, It delivers impressive cleaning performance with low water and energy consumption, helping you save both time and resources. The transparent window lets you keep an eye on your laundry without interrupting the cycle. User-friendly controls make operations simple and intuitive, with separate timers for wash and spin functions and adjustable water levels for customized cleaning. Constructed from durable materials, it resists deformation and rust, ensuring a long service life. Designed with modern lifestyles in mind, it includes a drain hose for quick and easy water removal and a lint filter for cleaner laundry results. The portable size and powerful functionality make it a reliable laundry solution for busy families, students, and travelers alike. Any residual water present is due to quality testing and does not indicate prior use. Number 5. VCJ Laundry. This portable twin-tub washing machine is designed to make laundry day more efficient and hassle-free. With a wash capacity of 9 pounds and a spin capacity of 5 pounds, it's perfect for handling small and medium loads like shirts, underwear, and baby clothes. Its compact size, measuring just 14-inch DX22, WX23H, makes it ideal for apartments, dormitories, RVs, and even camping trips. The lightweight design and built-in handle allow for easy transport and storage. Featuring a powerful 1300 RPM motor, it delivers exceptional cleaning performance with low energy and water consumption, saving you time and money. The adjustable inlet hose and separate timers for washing and spinning give you full control over your laundry process, allowing you to set the wash timer up to 15 minutes and spin timer up to 5 minutes. The twin tub design lets you wash and spin simultaneously or move clothes from the washer to the spinner effortlessly. The transparent lid provides a clear view of the cycle, while the simple, user-friendly controls ensure a smooth laundry experience. Any residual water inside is from performance testing and does not indicate prior use. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.